Today we'll be revising the probability distributions which we have covered so far. I have already clarified in statistics, there are so many theoretical probability distributions, but we have covered only 3 distributions so far. If you recall, we had binomial and Poisson from discrete distribution, and we had normal distribution from continuous distribution. Be quick, Namrata, what you understand the difference between discrete and continuous distributions or probability? Please be quick, save time.
Sir, in discrete distribution, we have only one probability. We find only a single answer, whereas in continuous, we have a range of probability.
Okay, Roshni Priya, would you like to supplement or add anything?
So in discrete probability, we only take the whole value. And
Yes.
In this whole value, and in continuous probability, we take the fraction values.
Yeah, we can assume up to any fractional points. Okay, both of you are correct. So both the answers should be taken as answer. Okay, just a quick review, which you know. I would be requesting you all to please participate. Listen to me very carefully. In binomial distribution, we were calculating probability of exactly X events in N trials, which we may call it X successes, and the probability we had NCX, P to the power X, Q to the power N minus X. As you remember, this X random variable was whole number, what you were Roshni telling, 0, 1, 2, 3, or to N, finite, limited. And P plus Q will be equals to 1, right? Whereas in Poisson distribution, we had a formula like e to the power minus m, m to the power x by factorial x. Here, we have got infinite series, but whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. In both the cases, if you add probabilities, individual probability, they should add up to what, Sparsaranjan?
1, sir.
Very good. So all of you please participate. And moving to normal distribution, which is from continuous probability distribution, we do not use any formula. We refer normal table, and the normal table is given for standard normal variable, which is standardization of given value x. We convert from x to z by the formula x minus mu by sigma. Okay. And what are the range of either x or the standard variable z?
So minus
Infinity to infinity, right?
infinity. Yes, sir.
And hope you must have remembered many properties. Those properties are very important. All of you should note it down, and I'm not going to repeat. I will not be wasting your time, but the salient feature, most important, is these areas or intervals. What is the first interval?
Minus alpha to plus alpha.
Mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma, right? Sanchari, what is the next two intervals?
Sir, mu plus minus 2 sigma plus mu minus 2 sigma plus 2 sigma.
Repeat again clearly. Why confusion?
Mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma.
What is the area probability? How much it is?
Sir, it is
Need to remember, need to mug it up. 95%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the next one?
Sir,
Minus 3 sigma to mu
Three,
plus 3 sigma.
minus 3 sigma to 3 sigma, sir.
Mu minus 3 sigma to
Sir.
mu plus 3 sigma, and it is 99.7%. Okay. This is in terms of x. Srastha Sharma, if I convert these 3 intervals in terms of z, what will be the interval of the first picture? This will be -1 to +1. Second is Shatabdi, -2 to +2. And third is -3 to +3. So repeat, you can tell in terms of X, you can tell in terms of Z. Okay. If you are telling in terms of X, use mu and sigma. And in case of Z, there is no mu sigma. That is only -1 to +1, -2 to +2, -3 to +3, right? And this can be from -infinity to +infinity. This is something new. I have taken it from Levin's book. This para, you can read it later. Can you read it for a minute or two from my screen? Is my screen visible?
Yes,
I will be putting rather like this. In normal distribution, the normal area curve which you get, it's a decreasing function. Abhishek Behera, Roshni Priya. So when it is decreasing, look at here, it's falling down, falling down, falling down. So it should touch somewhere at x-axis. Roshni? No, it will never touch x-axis, but it will continue to fall, but it will never touch x-axis. Abhishek Behera, some quiz. Suppose you have got number here, you go on dividing by 2, 1. You divide by 2 and the result, again you divide by 2, the result again you divide by 2. So is it not falling down, decreasing?
Yes, sir.
So is it not going to become 0 at some finite point?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No,
Rajul,
sir.
it will never be 0. It will be smaller, smaller, smaller. So similarly, all of you clarify your doubt. This curve will not touch this one. Okay. Though it looks as if it is going to touch at horizon after some time, but it will never touch. This type of curve is called asymptotic to x-axis. Asymptotic means decreasing function, decreases every next step, but it never touches. Okay. Now coming to the normal table, those who have seen, can you please check what is the last value given in normal table? Say, for example, here, I think it is close to 3 or so. What is the probability of this area? Can anybody quickly tell me?
sir, 0.4990.
0.499 something. Okay. So if you find this and if you add this 0.499 is almost close to 5.5. Okay. And 0.5, 0.5, it will be close to 1. So what I'm suggesting, -3 to +3, it contains almost everything. Do you agree? It is almost 99.99%. Okay. So this is from 0, 1, 2, 3. Sanojana, Abhishek, Prajwal. 3 के बाद क्या है रे? How many terms are there?
Sir, infinite.
Infinite. You go up to 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, normal curve will be there. But यहाँ होने का chance क्या है?
0.001%.
बहुत ही कम, बहुत ही कम. So this is the shortcoming, though it is actually not a shortcoming, कि यहाँ बहुत सारे options हो सकते हैं, and we are not considering this. Normal table is silent on this. Okay. Like say, for example, Roshni Priya, in that brief text, what it was shown, there is a person. Can you imagine a person can be of weight 500, 600, 700 kg? हो सकता है क्या रोशनी?
No, sir.
No.
Very less a possibility.
गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में देखा होगा, एक ट्रक में एक बंदा को उठा के ले रहे हैं. ओके. But that is a very, very rare event. Okay. Maybe like in 500 crore, there could be one such person. So this is there, but not much. So this is actually not going to affect the accuracy of prediction, which uses normal property, because you are covering almost everything. So this all of you need to remember. Like say, for example, when you're talking of MBA students getting placement after their MBA degree. When I'm talking of MBA students, what would be the total population? Swastika Mahapatra? Quick, save time. I'm recording your session.
Sir, around 300.
Sorry? कुछ तो बोल, कोई problem नहीं. Sanchari then?
300.
350.
300, sir.
In thousands, in lakhs. I'm not told only KSM, okay? In India, okay?
Okay,
So
okay.
talking of, it's like MBA student package. So when you're talking of, it's like you have got so many average B schools. So if you look their average package, you're not only considering the top B schools, which are very limited. Top B school will be only 25, 30 top B schools in India, but there are thousands other B schools where the average package will be less. So when you are plotting the average salary, annual CTC MBA students will get, will you agree with me? It's almost looking like a normal curve. And what would be the Prajwal quick, which we बोल दे, average package कितना होगा?
Sir, 8 lakh.
8 लाख, okay, या 7 लाख. कभी कभार आपने सुना होगा, what could be the very high, very optimistic package in India for one MBA student, Sanchari?
Sir,
कभी सुना
40
है?
lakhs. Sir, 40 lakhs.
कंजूसी क्यों कर रहा है? सुना है 80 लाख, 90 लाख, 1 करोड़ सुना है नहीं सुना है?
नहीं sir, नहीं.
प्रिया?
1 करोड़ सुना है सर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
एक करोड़
Yes,
सुना था.
संचारी को बोलना. You
Sir,
dream
Google,
big.
sir.
So I am Ahmedabad, kabhi kabar, not
Yeah.
rare. So if you are plotting average here, say, जैसे प्रज्वल ने बोला 7 lakh, 8 lakh here, and imagine 80 lakh, 90 lakh here. Okay. So these are what we have discussed earlier would be considered outlier extremities, but rarely happen. Okay. So those things are not considered in normal curve. This is what, but it is very rare. As somebody was suggesting, a person's weight increasing more than 700 kg is something rare. So this is abnormal kind of thing. Okay. So this is what we should remember. So I thought the theory portion I should also tell you like this. Hope that was clear what is written here. Is my screen visible, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Moving ahead, we'll be discussing few questions which we might have solved, and if I have not solved, please remind me. I guess this question we have done, Hers,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vishal Anand, ये क्वेश्चन को कैसे करेंगे? You have got 45 seconds बोलने के लिए, फटाफट बोल, save time. ये नम्रता get ready.
सर मीन 73 लेंगे और टोटल 95% का जो वैल्यू है इस ये पर्टिकुलर टोटल 1 से माइनस कर देंगे सर
All of you should get ready and save my time, your time. All of you should get ready with the whiteboard and paint. Hers, share your screen. जल्दी ये solve कर within 1 minute.
सर आज वो कॉलेज लैपटॉप नहीं मतलब ले रहा था तो मैं दूसरे
संचारी फटाफट, no excuse. संचारी
Yes, yes.
फटाफट. हाँ, विशाल, you have to explain. Time save करो.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, फटाफट. You have got 45 seconds to draw the normal curve and set the area.
We'll draw the curve and take mean as 73
Yes, then बोलते जा फटाफट विशाल.
and shade the area of the left side. We take a 95%, 73 के right में 95% लिख लो.
Very good.
सारा left side and the left side पूरा
No.
shade कर लो 95 से
Make a habit of writing 95% is not X.
So that is not 95%, whole value of 95%.
95% is 0.95. भूल गया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये probability
shade the
नीचे
way,
नहीं लिखते हैं, ऊपर
Whole
लिखते हैं.
value till
Arrow
0.95.
खींच के ऊपर लिख 0.95.
Mu 73 standard deviation is 6.
0.95. So okay, change the color of pen. ये left hand side का area रहेगा 0.5. Like फटाफट. और जो राइट हैंड साइड में है शेडेड एरिया वो कितना रहा?
0.5
0.45 रे
45 या 0.45
0.45 रेफर करो हर्ष। अरे बेटा जल्दी हेल्प करो ना, नॉर्मल टेबल देखो। When probability is 0.45,
Z equal to 1.645.
Sir, 1.645. Z equal to 1.645, sir.
संचरी सुन रही है?
Sir, Z equals to
1.645.
1.645.
4.5.
तो भूल गई क्या?
No, sir.
This equal to नीचे लेग equals to नीचे लेग equals to x minus
Mu
mu कितना?
73
73
by
Okay.
6.
standard deviation 6 by standard deviation 6 होगा.
X equal to
Okay.
82.87.
इसको सॉल्व करो।
Sir, 82.87.
82.87.
शेयरिंग संचरी तो भूल गई।
No, sir. Actually, many people were saying, so I got confused a bit.
Okay, stop sharing, allow me. Now all of you get ready with your Microsoft Paint or digital whiteboard. Okay, now moving here, this question have you done, Hers? ये किए थे नहीं किए थे?
Yes, sir.
हुआ है सर, ये क्लास में हुआ
Yes, sir. Class में हुआ है.
शताब्दी फटाफट ये सेट कर दे। You got only 1 minute. फटाफट करो, बहुत सारे है आज सॉल्व करने के लिए। कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो और कोई वॉलंटियर कर सकते हो। ये शताब्दी इज देयर। थैंक यू डियर। संचरी नंबर्स फिगर्स बोल so that we save
Sir.
time.
Shatabdi, the mean is 79.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कितना होगा?
It is 82 and right it's 75.
75 से पहले वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच। 82 के बाद देख संचरी शताब्दी हाउ शी इज डूइंग।
Yes,
This
sir.
we have to do it in different color. 75 का कोई बोलो, what is the Z value? नीचे लेग 75 के नीचे
Z1 का वैल्यू सर 0.8
0.8
माइनस में होगा।
Minus 0.8.
yes sir,
And 82 is 0.6.
0.6.
0.6
अच्छा, और प्रोबेबिलिटी मिला था?
0.2881 है
0.281.
0.2881.
2881 सर.
लेफ्ट साइड
कौन सा व्हाइट एरिया?
75 वाले का रहेगा 0.2881.
व्हाइट एरिया शेड एरिया, ठीक से बोलो।
वाइट एरिया
Sir, white area.
White area रहेगा, sorry sir.
ठीक है,
And this side it will be 0.2257.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन। ये दोनों को मिला के 1 से माइनस करो, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाई
200.
200।
0.4861.
Shatabdi, the addition of these two will be 0.5138. 5138, yes.
So
And
my-
after minus it is 0.4862.
62.
And after multiplying with 200, it will be 97.
97.24.
97.24
well done, well done, well done. Thank you so much. Stop sharing. Thank you so much. Well done. All of you get ready. All should solve like this. Next question. I think this we have not done. All of you are requested, read this question carefully. You read out the question, Swastika.
Sir, I've just written the values. Mean is 75,
Mean is
standard
75.
deviation is 5.
Hmm.
And top 5% get grade A and 25% get grade F. Standard deviation is 5. Yeah.
You read it again. You should understand. She needs top. How many? How many?
Top 5% get grade A. 5%, 0.5.
Rosni, thank you so much.
0.25.
Rosni, सुन रहे, हाँ. The mistake Rosni was inadvertently doing, nobody should do. 5% का मतलब 0.5 नहीं है, 0.05. Okay. all should take care. Some MBA students hurriedly do in exam. गलती हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Rosni, so this is for shaded area. So we have
Yes,
to go
sir.
for white area. Rosni, white area right hand side में जो
0.
है arrow
Yes,
hinge.
sir.
Thank you dear. 0.45. जहाँ A लिखा है A के नीचे अभी लास्ट एग्जांपल में किए थे Z कितना होगा रे
Yes, sir.
प्रज्वल 1.645. अरे कोई तो हेल्प करो. Z कितना होगा? हर्ष क्यों चुप है आज हर्ष सिंह?
1.645.
645. कौन है? हाँ इक्वल्स टू डाल इसके आगे 1.645 के आगे ही डाल. x कितना? x नहीं पता. x माइनस म्यू कितना दिया गया है?
Mu is 5.
by 5. ये आगे डॉट डॉट करके नहीं, हाउ कैन सॉल्व इट? implies नेक्स्ट लाइन में लेग. Very good. Thank you so much. And leave it to Sanchari. She will solve and tell you. Do it for left hand side. वो Sanchari solve करके बताएगा. हो गया. Thank you so much. And similarly explain करते रहो. This will be count.
Similarly, in the left hand side, 0.5 minus 0.25 is equal to 0.25. Now we'll find the value of z. अब कोई बता दो z का value.
Priya, well, when probability is
sir.
0.25.
Yes, sir. The z's value here is minus 0.675.
कहाँ से मिला ये 0.675?
Sir, average.
करेक्ट है.
Average लेके दोनों का.
अच्छा एवरेज ले लिया. ठीक है करेक्ट. 0.675 equals to x minus 75. श्रीप्रिया सॉल्व कर.
By 5.
इसको
X
सॉल्व
minus
कर.
by 5 is
Thank
equal
you,
to
thank you. हो गया.
minus
Thank you so
1.
much. Roshni Priya.
Yes, sir.
You remind me after the class. You wait 1 mark participation mark. Thank you so much. Stop sharing. Okay. We can try next for next question. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in exam, some of you may find difficulty in first understanding whether a given question is from binomial or from Poisson or from normal distribution. Namrata,
Yes,
maybe
sir.
like this question, is it from normal distribution? Just look to the question. All of you look to the question. This PPT I have already given to you. Rahul Manti, it is from which question?
It is binomial distribution.
Wow,
It's not
wow.
normal.
Why? You are correct. Thank you so much. Why it is binomial?
Sir, here the n is not so big. That is 15.
And probability is also.
Probability is also.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, thank you so much. Ankita Jana, try and tell me what is the first bit, explain the meaning of first bit, and please suggest how we can perhaps solve it.
Sir, here it is asking that the browsing customer will
Please be louder, come closer to microphone. Yes.
Yes, sir. So here it's asking that what's the probability of browsing customer that at least it's getting
At least one means what?
like not more than one, at least one.
Not more than one, at least one
Sir,
same.
it's more than one.
Not less than yes, sir, sir, more than one.
One and above.
Sir, minimum
above.
one, and
More
after
than
that
one.
we can check it. Minimum one.
रवि,
हाँ.
ये क्वेश्चन को कैसे करेंगे रे रवि? चुप हो गया रविशंकर.
Sir, here it is the probability to find means from 1 to the 15 up to 15. So
Ah,
we can do one minus P of 0.
Yes, sir.
So we can find at least one probability of at least one.
Subhendu Mandal, repeat the last sentence of your last speaker.
Yes, sir.
Quote your predecessor.
One minus probability of 0.
P0 ray, probability of P0. P0, what is the formula here? Look to the screen, give a try. Abhishek Patra, get ready. After Subhendu Mandal, you have to tell it. Subhendu Mandal, tell Ray, what is P0? Rahul Mahanti, bol.
And here P0 equal to e to the power minus NCX into P to the power X, Q to the power.
I'm telling P0, no. You look to the question. Tell me the final number. 15C0.
15C0, P to the power 0,
What
and
is
to
P?
P 0.3.
Why? क्यों नहीं बोल रहा?
P
कैसे बोल
0.
रहा?
And
Repeat again clearly.
15C0,
Yes.
0.3 to the power 0,
Yes.
into 0.7 to the power 15.
ऐसे ही बोलो. स्वस्तिका महापात्र, second bit.
Sir, at least 4, then we will take P1, P2, P3.
Again you are wrong. क्या हो गया तेरे को? संचारी.
So we will take more than 4 and including 4. So we'll do
Why more
1
than
minus.
4? You are also wrong. Not more than 4. 4 से लेके. Not
Sir,
more.
I said more than 4 and including 4, I said.
हाँ, आगे बोलना इसके आगे.
And then we'll do 1 minus P0 plus P1 plus P2 plus P3.
P4 add करेंगे.
No, sir.
Srishta Sharma, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Repeat, Sanchari. What?
So P0, P1, P2, P3 till P3, sir.
यही आंसर है.
नहीं सर, उसके बाद उसका
1 minus P0, P1,
P0, P1, P2.
ठीक से बोलना. Srishta. Namrata Mishra, C bit.
Sir, what is the probability of no browsing customer? We will take P0.
Only P0,
Only
right?
P0.
Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Thank you so much. Although participants, Spurs, Ranjan. जोर से बोल, जोर से बोल.
What is the probability that no more than 4 browsing customers will buy? No, maximum is 4, sir. So P0, P1, P2, and P3. And P4 also, sir, including 4.
P4 लेंगे नहीं लेंगे?
More than 4, sir.
Rajul,
sir, लेंगे.
लेंगे नहीं लेंगे?
Yes, sir, लेंगे.
Thank you so much. All of you are clear? Thank you. Well done. Now, next question. All of you mute yourself. Somebody is making noise. Mute yourself. This question I have taken from Levin's book. Read the question. Susmita Samanta, what's your comment?
Sir, this is Poisson distribution.
Very good. Thank you so much. क्यों लगा ये? You are correct. You are correct.
The sample is high and the sample
Probability
is
बहुत ही कम है and n is also very good. Right? Prajwal, correct? अभी देखो participate करो. Prajwal to tell. First bit.
Sir, none are too flawed for calculation. So, sir,
क्या करना है?
sir, इसका हो जाएगा e to the power minus 0
ये
into.
P0 पहले बोलना. यहाँ P0 ही निकालना है. P0 equals to आगे बोल.
So P0 equals to e to the power M, sir, M will be 1000 into 0.5. So it will be
1000
50.
into 0.5. You are wrong. तनुप्रिया, आज प्रज्वल तो उज्जवल नहीं है, तेरा वोल्टेज डाउन है.
सर इसमें मेरे को थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन
0.5% means 0.5.
यस
0.05.
नो सर 0.005
So 1000 into how much?
0.005.
0.005
You have to do that ना, नहीं तो गलती वगैरह प्रज्वल. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Next, Shaurya Majumdar, next bit. अरे पार्टिसिपेट करो ना फटाफट.
हाँ सर. TNR2 float for circulation. सर
सिद्धांत स्वाई टेक ओवर, फटाफट करो. अरे क्या करना है तो बोलो. शौर्य आप बोल तो सकता है ना. E10
लेंगे सर.
हाँ, कम से कम ये बोलो ना. ठीक है, हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा. Anybody having doubt? Anybody having doubt on this beat question? शताब्दी, अभिषेक पत्र, ठीक है, क्लियर?
यस सर. यस सर.
शताब्दी, नेक्स्ट बीट.
TP15
क्या करना पड़ेगा? आगे बोल.
e to the power minus m, which is into m to the power 50 by 50 factorial.
All of you clear? Is that okay? Swastika, हाँ या ना?
हाँ sir.
Okay. Now, let's take a few more questions. I think this we suggested to discuss, and all of you take a screenshot. We'll be discussing here.
ले रहे हैं सर, अगर हम लोग एक मीन पॉइंट ले रहे हैं तो उससे जो वैल्यू कम होगा वो पहले लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा. और
मेन तो दिया नहीं गया ना हर्ष बेटा, मेन कहाँ दिया गया है?
सर अगर हम लोग जीरो
मानना था 45, क्यों हम राइट हैंड साइड में नहीं लेंगे? बोल.
सर वो इनिशियल वैल्यू है तो वो पहले आएगा सर.
अरे बेटा अब देखना 31% जो सेट करेंगे 0.5 से छोटा होगा ना.
यस सर.
वही लॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन है. वी डोंट नो सेंटर में डाल, मेन का जो जहां सेंटर में डाला एक लाइन, ये जो मेन से पहले जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पोर्शन है ये सारा एरिया 0.5 होगा.
यस सर.
ठीक है ना. बट ये दिया गया है कि 0.31, यही है ना क्वेश्चन.
यस सर.
तो इसीलिए ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होगा. रोहित अनम्यूट करके बोलेगा. इफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर ऑनेस्टली बोल, आस्क क्वेश्चंस. मी और हर्ष और एनीबॉडी वॉलंटियर कैन एक्सप्लेन यू. रोहित अनम्यूट कर रहे.
Yes, sir.
आर यू क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, sir.
पक्का 100%?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
संचरी बोल.
Sir, can you please repeat it again?
हाँ, ये बोला गया है कि अंडर 45 और बिलो 45 का एरिया 31% है या 0.31 है. जो रोहित कर रहा था, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं क्यों राइट हैंड साइड में नहीं होगा. अगर राइट हैंड साइड में यही 45 लिखेंगे तो 45 से पहले का एरिया संचारी 0.5 से बड़ा नहीं होगा. इसीलिए क्योंकि ये एरिया दिया गया है 0.31, ये राइट हैंड साइड में नहीं हो सकता. तनुप्रिया, अंकिता, जना, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है? कोई बोलो.
सर 64 है नेक्स्ट.
हाँ 64 के आगे तो सेंटेंस कोई पढ़ो ना.
Sir, 8% or 64.
हाँ 64 के आगे.
Find the mean and standard deviation of the distribution.
नहीं वो सेट करने दे. हर्ष, ये कितना एरिया है?
तो 64 है सर. ये 0.08% होगा सर. सर 0.08.
ऊपर आरो खींच, ऊपर आरो खींच इसको. कितना हुआ? ऑल ऑफ यू ध्यान दो. जैसे हर्ष सिंह ने करेक्टली लिखा 0.08, कभी कभार स्टूडेंट्स ने गलती से लिख देते हैं 0.8. श्रीप्रिया, आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir.
श्रीप्रिया, यू टेल व्हाट नेक्स्ट, क्या करना पड़ेगा?
So next we have to find the value of, we have to find Z
No,
for
first
a
you have to
specific.
refer white area का probability. Step by
Okay,
step
yeah.
जाओ.
Subtracted from.
और सुन रहा रे, दोनों तरफ का white area का arrow खींच ऊपर. राइट हैंड साइड का व्हाइट एरिया ये होगा 0.42. राइट हैंड साइड का, अरे राइट हैंड साइड का 0.42 रे. आर यू मिसिंग समबडी हर्ष बेटा?
नहीं सर.
कोई तो प्रॉब्लम है तेरा. अरे देयर आर सो मेनी गुड फ्रेंड्स आर हियर. आर यू मिसिंग समबडी हु इज नॉट हियर?
नो सर.
और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कितना होगा? 0.19.
0.19.
हाँ, कोई देख के बताओ. राहुल महांती, when probability is 0.42, what is Z?
1.41.
64 के नीचे, 64 you should have written exactly below the vertical line. 64 के नीचे हर्ष लेग Z कितना हुआ? फिर से बोलो रे राहुल.
1.41.
हाँ, 1.41 equals to
64 minus mu divided by sigma.
64 minus mu by sigma.
Yes.
Mu.
आज तो हर्ष का कुछ गड़बड़ है. नहीं, कुछ तो है तेरा तो. यू आर मिसिंग समबडी. जोर से मिस कर रहा है हर्ष.
सर
तो कंट्रोल कर ले यार. आधा घंटा कंट्रोल कर पाएगा? नहीं कर पाएगा.
हाँ सर.
ये बाकी लोग लिखो, ये इक्वेशन 1 डॉट डॉट देके ये जो मिला ये है इक्वेशन नंबर 1. संचारी आर यू गेटिंग मी? श्रीप्रिया, तनुप्रिया,
यस सर.
ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 हुआ. लेफ्ट
सर
हैंड
ये
साइड
दोनों इक्वेशन लेके फिर निकालना है ना.
इक्वेशन तो बनाओ. सेकंड इक्वेशन कोई बोलो. व्हेन प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 0.19, Z कितना
Z
होगा?
0.05.
0.5 only.
0.5.
45 के
Minus
नीचे
minus
करके
0.
0.5.
Minus 0.
minus 0.5 रे. Yes, equals to 45 minus mu by sigma. ये बना इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ओके, ये दोनों को सॉल्व करो.
This in normal distribution, 31% of the items. This one, sir.
Your audio is not okay. Can I, if you don't mind, can I request Sanchari, जोर से बोल.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
एक मिनट रुक जा. संचारी समराइज कर.
Sir, first of all, we'll draw the normal distribution curve, and over there in the middle as a mean, we'll plot 75 and in the left hand side, first of all, we'll do 0.25 below. Means towards the left, we'll shade the portion, and in the right hand side, 0.05 towards the right hand side, we'll shade the portion, and then we'll find the Z from the normal table, and then we'll calculate the X value.
You get two equations, solve two equations simultaneously so that you get the respective answers. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, somebody was asking a question, please.
हाँ sir, श्याम सर मजिस्ट्रेट. Sir, can I go, sir? मेरा कुछ medical emergency आ गया है.
Yes, sure. Okay. Now we'll be discussing something new. All of you are requested to be attentive. This is not revision. I think somebody is making noise. Mute yourself, all of you. We'll be covering briefly a concept called expected value, or in short, we can call expectation. Okay, this is from chapter 5 of Levin's book, and very briefly we can discuss it. So please remember, if you remember, we had defined probability distribution as a table where in X column you have got X value, in the second column you have got respective probabilities. And what was Abhishek Behra, the definition of a frequency table? Frequency table mein first column hoga X value, second column hoga frequencies. Okay, repeat, probability distribution First column
First
X,
column X value, second
second
column is
column
frequency difference.
probability. And frequency distribution may first column X value, second column frequency. If you think deeply, if you convert frequency to relative frequency, this is nothing but the probability. There is a similarity. And from frequency table, the way you are finding mean value, same way you can also find mean value by using expectation or expected value, right? Please write down the formula. In short, we write capital E of X, that is called expected value of X. Simple formula, multiply X with Px, okay? Let me explain it through whiteboard so that it will be more clear. Hope my screen is visible. And the way I am doing it, please all of you do it. What I just told in frequency table, first will be X value, then you got frequency. Then from frequency, you can possibly find relative frequency. What is relative frequency, Sanchari? Relative frequency is nothing but respective frequency divided by total frequency. Okay. So this by n, this by n, like this. Okay. So if you add the last column, Surjit, total कितना होगा?
Not total number of
One.
observed.
One होगा. Okay.
Oh, relative.
Now here in probability, this is called frequency distribution table. And probability distribution table, quite similar. Here you have got different X values. Could be anything, 5, 10, 15, or whatever. And next column, in place of frequency, you write different probabilities, right? This could be P1, P2, like whatever. Okay. And what is the total of second column? Sanchari, we cannot say. Surjit?
1.
Very good. No confusion. Thank you so much, Tanupriya. So please remember this. Actually, these two can be linked. This is similar. Now, if you multiply, Tanupriya, this with this, 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 what we write here? Summation fx. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And if you divide this, summation fx by n is what?
Mean.
It is mean. Okay. Now, can we use relative frequency? You can also use relative frequency, but here, if you are multiplying relative frequency in place of frequency, you need not divide n. Now, what I am suggesting, the same thing you can multiply here. This with this, this with this, this with this, this with this. Okay. So this column is X column, this column is P column, or you can write P of X. Now, this cross multiplication of X with Px, if you add, this is nothing but expected value of X. This formula, all of you write it. Now, this is something on an average, how much we can expect. Okay, so we'll be taking small example so that it will be clear. Hope this example can be solved by you. Let us together try to understand this. Is my screen visible, Satabdi?
Yes, sir.
All of you read the case quickly.
Investing in the stock market. So he's studying the potential investment, and his past performance says that he has he has come up with 5 possible outcomes to invest in.
Okay.
So then he's finding the annual rate of return with the help of the 5 possible.
Next, Sripriya.
So we have to like get the expected value of return
Yes, now we
for
discuss about
investment.
expected value. So we have to find the expected value. Expected means average kind of thing, and we have to compare whether it matches his expectation or not, right? And anybody else who would like to supplement, don't worry about the solution. We all together will solve it. Just try to understand the case. Anybody who would like to supplement, can anybody quickly draw a probability curve? कैसे दिखेगा? If you just roughly draw the probabilities alone, and if I ask you to do it in 30 seconds, कैसे दिखेगा? Anybody do it fast? In this case, you have got 5 alternatives, और 5 alternative का chance बराबर नहीं है. And we are starting with Sandeepan saying कि कुछ भी नहीं मिल सकता है. And that is as high as 20%. Okay, I just started. Stock market investment is highly risky. This is the risk. 0. Okay, मिल सकता है, नहीं मिल सकता है, chance factor. All of you are getting me?
Yes, sir.
So ये जो value दिया गया है, फटाफट note किया. All of you have noted?
हाँ sir, noted
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First column, second column, third
Noted.
column में क्या करेंगे हर्ष?
सर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे सर रिटर्न
Very
ऑफ
good,
इन्वेस्टमेंट
very
को
good. Thank you so
प्रोबेबिलिटी
much. Have you added the third column total?
से. यस सर
Yes,
सर.
sir.
कितना आया?
सर पहला वाला 0.00
पहला
नेक्स्ट का
sum total,
2.50
sum total कितना आया?
सर सम टोटल 15.75 सर.
15.75.
Okay, तो ये जो दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन को ध्यान दो. So how much the person is investing? $150.
सर 150 सर.
150 का he has set a benchmark. अगर 10% से ज्यादा मुझे मिलेगा तो मैं इन्वेस्ट करूंगा.
So he is investing sir.
Very
10.75.
good, very good. हर्ष, ये क्वेश्चन क्या है? Are you getting me? You are
Yes, sir.
getting to your friends, 66 friends. Tell briefly 1 minute में क्वेश्चन क्या है, हमने किया और लास्ट सेंटेंस डिसीजन क्या है. Start, हर्ष.
Bob Walter, who is a frequent investor in stock market, carefully studies any potential investment. He is currently examining the possibility of investing in Trinity Power Company, and through studying past performance, Walters has broken the potential result of investment into 5 possible outcomes, which accompanies probability. The outcomes are annual rates on return on a single share of stock that currently costs $150. To find the expected value of the return for investing in single share for Trinity Power. तो इसमें रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट 5 तो दिया हुआ है, 5 प्रोबेबिलिटी उसने दिया है, और उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी चांसेस भी परसेंटेज हमको दिया है. लाइक 0 का 20% है, 10 का 25% है, 15 का 30, 25 का 15 एंड 50 का 10% है. एंड फाइनली हम लोग को निकालना है इसका एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू. सो व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग द एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू, वी आर यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला EX = X डॉट PX. तो हमको इसमें दोनों रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट और प्रोबेबिलिटी को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा पहले, और उसके बाद हमारा टोटल निकलेगा 15.75, जिसमें उसने बोला था कि अगर 10% से ज्यादा निकलेगा तो वो स्टॉक मार्केट में ये क्या बोलते हैं, इन्वेस्ट करेगा. So the probability we are getting is 15.75. Not the probability. So percentage we are getting is 15.75%. So he will purchase in the stock market, invest in the stock market.
All of you clear? Anybody having doubt? Rajul, बोल.
Sir, question में लिखा है कि if purchases stock whenever the expected rate is exceeds. अच्छा ठीक है सर. सर मैं कंफ्यूज यहाँ हो गया था कि अगर रिटर्न 10% दिया है, so 15, 25 and 50 कंसिडर किया जाएगा.
ये जो हर्ष ने बोला बहुत बढ़िया बोला. लास्ट जो वैल्यू है, इट इज नॉट परसेंटेज, इट इज डॉलर. ओके, $15.7. ओके, $150 का 10% है $15, और हमें मिल रहा है $15.7. सो इट इज हायर देन द बेंचमार्क एक्सपेक्टेड. सो द फाइनल आंसर स्टेटमेंट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी यस, यू विल परचेज और इन्वेस्ट इन स्टॉक मार्केट. और ये जो है SC 5.2 सेल्फ चेक का मतलब आंसर 11th बुक में मिलेगा. ओके, यही आंसर था और बुक में आपको मिल जाएगा. यू आल्सो कैलकुलेटेड 15.7. यही मिला नहीं मिला?
Yes, sir. We have also got this.
So this is on your screen. So this you can also get from the book. Just हमने लिखे हैं कि 5.2. So आप बाद में चेक कर सकते हो without referring the answer. I'm so happy that your section has done it. Marvelous. And the last question, can you please have a look? last question. All of you try to understand the question, please.
हाँ frequency डाल 24 22 16 12 7 3 1
टोटल कितना हुआ? कोई ऐड
टोटल
किया?
85 आ रहा है
85
वेरी गुड. कैलकुलेट लेके बताते जाओ क्या होगा रिलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी.
0.282
हाँ 282 रे.
282
नेक्स्ट प्रज्वल बोल.
0.2588.
0.2588.
नेक्स्ट बोलो फटाफट बोलो.
0.188.
0.14. 0.08. 0.03. 0.0.
04 इसलिए लिखो, वो अप्रोक्सीमेट हो जाएगा, वो ये वाला मैं काट निकाल दिया.
0.01.
टोटल 1 होगा. ओके. फर्स्ट कॉलम और लास्ट कॉलम को ग्राफ राइट हैंड साइड में ट्राई कर. तनुप्रिया. यस. जैसे मैंने बोला था थोड़ा ऑर्डिनेट डाल दे वही एक्सिस में. नहीं 5 नहीं 0.5 0.1 करें. प्रोबेबिलिटी है ना, ये नंबर थोड़ी है. 0.15 0.20 थ्रू दिस. ये थोड़ा हर्ष बेटर हो रहा है ना. अगर हम सब मिलके ऐसे ड्रा करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे, थोड़ा क्लैरिफाई होगा ना, बेटर होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
If you help this way, the class will be really successful. अभी हेल्प करो. कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? 0.28 से ऊपर उठ रहा है नहीं उठ रहा है? x एक्सिस में 246 भी डाल सकती है.
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया सा कर अनुप्रिया. फटाफट स्पीड कर. x एक्सिस में 2 4 6 8 10 12. कलर चेंज कर दे. अगर नहीं हो रहा तो डोंट वरी, फटाफट कर. यू कैन मैनेज इट. स्पीड कर. All of you should do like this. Question is easy. First, a question easy and difficult है.
चलेगा. ठीक है.
No, just if you participate, it's not really not difficult. It's not rocket science. Okay. Okay. Roughly draw कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tanupriya. You also get 1 mark participation mark. Stop sharing. Okay. सेकेंड बिट क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ के बोलना. सेकेंड बिट क्या है, क्या करना पड़ेगा राहुल?
Compute the expected value of outcome. The answer will be outcome into relative frequency. The table. Then we will multiply. Then finally we will add it.
Okay. All of you clear? Fine. Thank you. Now I guess we have successfully completed your revision class, but never